You will blow your account. It is not a matter of if, but when. Unless you follow this one mathematical rule. Most beginners think trading is about predicting the future. They spend hours looking for the perfect entry on gold or Bitcoin. But the truth is brutal. You can be wrong 60% of the time and still be wildly profitable. And you can be right 90% of the time and still go broke. The difference is not your strategy. It is your risk. Let's look at the math. If you risk 10% of your account on every trade, you only need 10 bad trades in a row to lose everything. And believe me, in Forex or crypto, 10 bad trades happen faster than you think. A news spike, a fake out, a moment of impatience. Gone. But if you risk exactly 1% per trade, you would need to lose 100 times in a row to blow your account. That is statistically nearly impossible if you have even a basic edge. This is called the 1% rule. It is the single most important concept in professional trading. It protects you from yourself. It protects you from the market's chaos. It keeps you in the game long enough to actually learn. But here's where most traders fail. They say they risk 1%, but they don't calculate it correctly. They guess their lot size. They look at the chart and say, that looks like a good amount. That is gambling. To do this properly, you must use a position size calculator. Before every single trade, you input your stop-loss distance and your account balance. The calculator tells you the exact lot size to ensure that if you hit your stop, you lose exactly 1%. No more. No less. This removes the emotion. It removes the fear. Because you already know exactly how much you will lose before you even click buy. When you know your loss is small and manageable, you stop moving your stop-loss. You stop revenge trading. You start thinking clearly. The 1% rule is not just about money. It is about psychological survival. It gives you the freedom to be wrong. And in trading, the freedom to be wrong is the only way to eventually be right. Stop trying to get rich quick. Start trying to stay alive. Master the 1% rule, and you will outlast 95% of the traders who quit by Friday.